Look around you. The world is teeming with an astonishing variety of life. From the freezing peaks of the Himalayas to boiling hot springs, life finds a way. But this incredible diversity forces us to ask a very fundamental question: what exactly is living? You might say living things grow, and they do. Plants grow continuously, while animals grow up to a certain age. But wait, mountains, boulders, and sand dunes grow too by accumulating material on their surface. So, growth cannot be a defining property of life. What about reproduction? Most living things reproduce, but sterile worker bees, mules, and infertile human couples do not. Yet, they are undeniably alive. Therefore, reproduction also fails as a perfect defining property of living organisms. To find the true signatures of life, we have to look inside. Every living organism is made up of chemicals. The sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in our body is called metabolism. No non-living object exhibits metabolism. Add to that consciousness, the ability to sense our surroundings and respond to environmental stimuli, be it physical, chemical, or biological. It is called consciousness. Metabolism, cellular organization, and consciousness. These are the defining properties of life. Once we know what is living, we face a new problem: magnitude. There are between 1.7 to 1.8 million known species on Earth. This is biodiversity. But if I call a bird a gauraya in India, someone in England won't know I mean a house sparrow. Local names change from place to place. We needed a universal language. Enter Carolus Linnaeus. He gave us a standardized naming system that the whole scientific world uses today: binomial nomenclature. Under this system, every organism gets a two-word scientific name. Let's take our favorite summer fruit, the mango. Its scientific name is Mangifera indica. The first word, Mangifera, represents the genus. The second word, indica, represents the specific epithet or species. Remember the rules. They are in Latin, written in italics, and only the genus name starts with a capital letter. But naming is just one step. Scientists classify organisms into logical hierarchy of categories, or taxa. It's like an address. We start specific, the species tigris, or the tiger. Group it with lions and leopards, and you get the genus Panthera. Group those big cats with the domestic cats, and you get the family Felidae. As we go higher, from family to order to class to phylum and finally to kingdom, the organisms becomes less alike, but they share fundamental broad features. From a single microscopic cell metabolizing energy to the vast kingdom of animals, the living world is a story of incredible diversity bound by a few profound shared rules. And this is just the beginning of our exploration.